Hey, Plant Pals, Mike Kid Gardener, and today's video is a unboxing and look at a product that was given to me to review for free. They said they saw my channel and saw the whimsical things that I have in my garden and said, "Hey, we're perfect for you to check out." And normally I just kind of dismiss these things, but I went and I looked at all the things they had, I looked at their site, and I agree. They most definitely have the sort of thing that's right up my alley. So I'm going to get through some of the technical things first. It's a brand called Tivisiy. They have a YouTube channel. It's a Tivisiy official, and they have a website, www.shoptivisiy.com, and put the links in there. And then there'll be a promo code for anybody who's interested in these items. They do want me to say that they are a one-stop destination for creative artwork, home decor, gifts, and more that helps everyone anywhere create enlightenment in their daily lives. So yeah, it's very interesting. And I think once I show you some of the items that I went to their site and I got, I think you might be interested. So yeah, let's take a look. I think they're very exciting items. So the first one I'm going to do is, and they have a different size of these items. Some come with remotes. Some come that have sound activated. So like if you have uh, like a bar inside your house and you want to have a little club and have the lights react to the music, it'll do that. You can change the hues and whatnot. I went simple. Let me open this up. So I think I'm going to set these. I like this for now. And when I saw what they had, I was very excited. Oh, cool! So this happened to be by chance that opened up the one. This was the first one that caught my eye. This is the very first one that I ordered. See, it comes well boxed. Comes with the Who We Are card. All right, let's set the box aside for a moment. And what these are is they're wood sculptures that have LEDs inside of them, and they light up. And so, if anybody who's seen my gardens where I have the fairy gnomes and whatnot, that's kind of my cup of tea. I like these whimsical items inside. Makes me happy. So I'm going to remove the get this out of the way for a second. I'm going to remove the twist tie off the cord and plug it in so you can all take a look how it looks lit up. I mean, it's already cool unlit, and it's got a control on it. And so this will all be real-time look. So that's how the item looks standing there. I'm gonna plug it in. My wife says one of the things she says is you can never plug the USB cable in the correct way in the first try. It's very rare, and I agree. It always seems to be the third try, but I got it in the second try, so that was cool. All right, let me turn it on. Like I said, they have fancier ones that have all kinds of controls. And there you go. And there's like a little scene inside here, like mountains and whatnot. It's very kind of Lord of the Rings-ish, the Tolkien-ish fantasy dragons type look to it, which I think is really cool. And so I'm definitely putting this on top of my experimental shelf. So I got this one, which I really like. Let's set it aside for here for a second. Put that there. Let me see. I'm trying to find. There's one I got for my wife. She wanted. Yep, this is the one that my wife wanted. Take it out of its box with the wrapping. Like I said, it's well protected. to remove again with this one as well. I'm going to remove the twist tie so I can plug it in. This one, the one my wife saw, that she thought was just beautiful. And again, keep in mind they have all different kinds of sizes and all kinds of different features. So I'm going to take the cord over here. This is a hummingbird. And this one lights up as well. So I'm going to unplug one of my other things here. Oh, no, I'm just going to plug this on. I got room. Wasn't sure if I had the room, but I do. Oh, first try. Excellent. And this one is lit up as well. And I want to be able to get really close so you can see the detail that is on these. Check that out. There's a little tropical scene inside the hummingbird. I just think it's awesome. And they have, like I said, they have all different sizes. So the final one, which will amuse people who watch my channel, they'll get the the kind of inside joke of why I chose this one and why it was one of the other ones I just had to have. Was get the twist tie off this one as well. And again, I'm going to have all the information if you would like to get one on my off their website, on my information here. And here we go. This is the reason why when I went to the website and was looking through and I saw this, besides the dragon, which I thought was just cool, from a man cave, I had to have this one because of my battle with the squirrels last summer, stealing all my veggies out of my garden. I just had to get this really cool squirrel. And he's also got a scene with mushrooms and the forest scene inside of him. So I'm going to see if I can plug this one in as well. And of course, it was the third try, but I had to do it. Oops. Let me see here. Oops. Okay, I had to. It was a small brain moment. I forgot to turn it on. There we go. I was like, why isn't it lit up? It was completely my fault. Okay. That's funny. So here is the squirrel all lit up. And I just think it's great. That is definitely the sort of thing that I will enjoy having to look at for years to come. Like I said, it's very nice quality. And this is an honest review, so that's my honest opinion on it. Is I really like it. And they're reasonably priced too, so that's kind of a bonus. So I'm going to set them like this. Just so it's cool to see them standing, but I'm going to set them down like this so that we can get the full effect of how they look. Check that out. I kind of think the squirrel's my favorite. I really like the dragon. I'm sure my wife is going to love the hummingbird. But, like I say, it would be nice to have a squirrel in my inside hydroponic garden that the real squirrels can't get to. And it's kind of ironic. It's enjoyable to have. All right. So, let me see if there's any other housekeeping I need to do on this. Like I say, they have some come without lights. They're just the carved version. I chose the LED lit ones, and they vary in price. So the ones that don't have any lighting in it, of course, are the least expensive. And then you have the LED ones, and you have the sound activated ones, and you have the big plus size ones, the giant ones. Like there was one that's as big as it fit in the guy's arms. He was cradling it, which was really cool. But I had the option and I chose to get 3 of these so I could show them off. All right. So, any comments, questions, leave in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have an awesome day.